We'll guide you through how to install FFmpeg for Audacity. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. In order to go and use certain file types in Audacity, you're going to need FFmpeg or FFmpeg. So to go and get it, you need to go to the top left of Audacity and press Edit. Go to the bottom and you can press Preferences and you'll get this pop-up. Go over to the left and come down and find Libraries. Then you want to go and find FFmpeg library and you want to go and press Download. The web browser goes and opens up. Now what you want to do is go and find the option for Audacity support and you can go and click there. Now go and find installing FFmpeg and you want to go and scroll down. We're using Windows in this case and we can then go and get the installer. So go and click here. We can then go and get the installer at the top here, 64-bit Windows. Most systems will run on that. Then it will go and download. It's been blocked, so I'll click on it and press download unverified file. It's safe, I've got it before. Open up your file explorer and come to downloads on the left and you then want to go and run the FFmpeg installer. Read through and if you do, you accept the agreement and press next and then press install. That's it, we can press finish. What we can then do is go and close Audacity and reopen it. Return to libraries in your preferences and we'll go and see it's successfully been installed. Leave a like if you found this useful.